For a variety of reasons, many people are moving away from traditional dairy milk. Some of those reasons include care for the environment, care for the animals, or care for their health. Some people are just flat out lactose intolerant. If you are in one of those categories, but find you miss the sweet taste of cow secretions, then I have great news for you. You can easily make your own alternative milk at home. All you need is 1 cup of rolled oats, 4 cups of water, a blender, and a really good strainer. Then, all you have to do is put your rolled oats and your 4 cups of water into your blender and blend them for about 30 seconds. You can go a teeny bit longer than that, but don't push it too much because if you do, your milk is going to come out very slimy, and no one wants that. After you have blended up your oat milk, you just have to strain it. Many people suggest straining it with a t-shirt rather than a traditional strainer in order to remove the finely blended pulp. Sometimes you have to strain it more than once. After that, you are ready to enjoy a bowl of cereal, a supplement to your coffee, or just drink a sweet glass of deliciousness. It's so tasty too. So why not try making your own oat milk today? I'm the Green Tip Guy, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week.